If you are scared, just be scared than what is scaring you. Most of the times, you realize that some other situations and obstacles scare you more than your goals. But if your goal is greater than what is obstructing you from achieving it, then it means that your goal is scarier than what is scaring you, which is your obstacle. You should make sure that you're the one who scares somebody who is against you, and whatever other things or reasons which are blocking you from succeeding. Because when you remain scared forever, you will not achieve your dream. Be scared than what is scared.